Hi friends, welcome to our channel Stock Informer. Let's dive into today's stock discussion.
Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a stock that's making headlines for a massive transformation. Amara Raja Energy and Mobility, previously known as Amara Raja Batteries. Are they just making car batteries anymore? Or are they geared up for the EV revolution? We're breaking down their financials, their strategic pivot, and what it means for your portfolio. For decades, Amara Raja has been a household name, synonymous with reliable automotive batteries. Think of their Amaron brand, a market leader, especially in the aftermarket segment. They've built a rock-solid business on lead-acid batteries for cars, bikes, and even industrial applications. This legacy business is a cash cow, funding a big, bold future. But here's where things get interesting. In the last year, they officially rebranded to Amara Raja Energy and Mobility Limited. And this isn't just a name change. It's a clear signal of their ambitious shift into the new energy system space. We're talking lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles, energy storage solutions, and more. They're not just dipping their toes, they're diving headfirst. The big news? Their multi-billion rupee investment into a gigafactory for Li-ion cell and battery manufacturing. This is their play to become a dominant force in India's rapidly growing EV and renewable energy storage market. It's a massive bet on the future, leveraging their deep manufacturing expertise. Now let's talk numbers from the last 4 quarters. This is where we see the immediate impact of this transformation. Their revenue has shown consistent year-on-year growth. The legacy lead-acid business, especially the automotive aftermarket, is still performing well, and their new energy segment is contributing, especially in areas like energy storage systems and EV batteries for 2- and 3-wheelers. That's a positive sign. However, we've seen some volatility in their profit before tax, PBT, and EPS. In some quarters, profits have been under pressure. Why? A few reasons. Persistent cost inflation in raw materials like lead, and significantly, the heavy investments they're making into the new energy business. Setting up a gigafactory isn't cheap, and these investments are diluting short-term margins. But here's the good news. Their balance sheet remains incredibly strong. With a very low debt-to-equity ratio, they have the financial muscle to fund this massive capex without undue stress. This is crucial for a project of this scale. Diving into their recent conference calls, management's message is clear. They are fully committed to the new energy pivot. They're talking aggressively about scaling the Li-ion business. This is their top priority. They're focused on securing technology partners and ramping up production at the gigafactory. They see huge potential in India's EV boom. Sustaining the lead-acid cash cow, they acknowledge the importance of their core business, particularly the aftermarket, which continues to generate strong cash flows. However, they've also flagged concerns about slower industrial volumes and some export challenges. Cost optimization. Management is actively trying to counter rising input costs through efficiency gains and better supply chain management. This battle for margins is ongoing. In essence, they're managing 2 very different businesses simultaneously, and the future relies heavily on the success of the new one. So what's the outlook for Amara Raja Energy and Mobility? In the short term, expect continued volatility. The heavy capex, the competitive landscape, and ongoing cost pressures mean profits might fluctuate. This isn't a stock for immediate quick gains, but the medium to long term is where the real story lies. If Amara Raja successfully executes its gigafactory project, secures significant OEM contracts for EVs, and establishes itself as a leader in energy storage solutions, this stock could see a significant re-rating. It could transform from a traditional industrial company into a high-growth new energy play. The risk, of course, is execution. The EV battery market is highly competitive, technologically complex, and capital intensive. Delays or failure to capture market share could impact their long-term growth story. Currently, Amara Raja trades at a PE multiple that's quite a bit lower than the industry average. Is this a value play, or is the market discounting the risks of their transition? For me, Amara Raja Energy and Mobility is a classic long-term investment thesis. It's for investors who believe in India's EV and renewable energy future and in Amara Raja's ability to execute this ambitious pivot. You're betting on the transformation, not just the legacy. It's a watch closely stock right now with significant upside if they succeed, but also inherent risks in such a large-scale transition. What do you think about Amara Raja's big pivot? Are you bullish or bearish? Let me know in the comments below.
Thank you for tuning in.